The STR air-cooled fiber laser welding series by HyperLaser Company, Limited. The STR 200, STR 350, STR 450, and STR 550 models offer an optimized configuration that can be selected based on the purpose and application of your welding tasks. This product series is under an exclusive distribution agreement between HyperLaser Company, Limited and Strongest Laser Technology Company, ensuring that you can receive free warranty repairs and after-sales service. STR is renowned in the laser industry for its advanced technology and global distribution network with IPG Photonics, a company headquartered in the United States, and is also a competitor that holds an equivalent position in the market. STR's laser source is a laser oscillator known for its precision and stability, which has already been proven in the global market. It is capable of continuous operation for 48 hours. The STR air-cooled fiber laser welding machine features STR's state-of-the-art air cooling system through its dual-circuit refrigerant direct cooling technology, maximizing the cooling efficiency. This enhances the operational efficiency of the product while maintaining its durability and stability. With a simple and accessible exterior design, the body is designed with a robust housing structure. The touchscreen panel, which encapsulates STR's expertise, includes 5 user packages for metals and non-ferrous metals, allowing for simple adjustments of thickness settings according to different welding modes. This enables not only professional welders but also beginners and first-time users to perform precise, high-quality welding tasks. The welding gun, designed for excellent grip, is integrated with the STR body, featuring a lightweight design of 600 grams, making it advantageous for prolonged use due to its ergonomic design. The protective lens, which influences the quality of the laser, allows for quick and convenient checks and replacements, is designed to ensure that the optimal laser output is consistently maintained. This product features a unique error reporting and after-sales service (AS) system that occurs when issues arise. The issue with the welding gun section arises from using the welding gun in a vertical position during welding operations. The laser consists of reflected light particles. When the welding gun is used in a vertical position, it can cause cracks in the protective lens inside the welding gun and damage the housing due to excessive heat. This can lead to a decrease in laser output, as well as potentially causing damage to both the welding gun and the body, which can affect their semi-permanent usability. Therefore, user attention is required. The STR air-cooled fiber laser welding machine is designed to as a product that comes with a 1-year free warranty. In case of any errors or malfunctions during use, please contact the customer service center of HyperLaser Company, Limited first, and repairs will be carried out by an engineer via phone consultation or on-site visit. Afterward, all data regarding the entire process will be organized and documented. This after-sales service will be continuously provided to customers in the form of a manual. HyperLaser Company, Limited, is dedicated to the purchasing inquiry process for all products, includes preparing to offer preliminary testing demonstrations. Through the preliminary testing process, customers can select a model that is suitable for their specific usage purposes. We provide headquarters visits or nationwide on-site services, setting a new standard for selecting laser welding machine products. HyperLaser Company, Limited is committed to providing the best service and maintaining a spirit of continuous research and development. We are always here to welcome our customers. Thank you.